So I just finished up installing these paddles on this beautiful M8 competition. Check it out. Nice magneto paddles. How the car should have came from factory. Now let's go ahead and plug up the battery again and see how it is.
Shout out Principe Performance and Ryan. Got me hooked up with these new paddles today. It was like a 30-minute install. It was crazy quick. Gonna do a little pull. This is a P Performance tune by Ryan, by Principe Performance. Y'all are gonna be seeing a lot more building with this car very soon.